P. Find the value of P. Find the value of P if the straight line. If the straight lines. If the straight lines. Y minus 3px. Y minus 3px plus 4 is equal to 0. And 2p minus 1, 2p minus 1 bracket into x minus 8p minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here read the problem. Find the value of p if the straight line y minus 3px plus 4 is equal to 0 and in bracket 2p minus 1 into x minus in another bracket 8p minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. Are perpendicular to each other. First one. First equation I can actually write it. Here y minus 3px plus 4 it is not. I will write it as minus 3px plus y plus 4 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Okay. Second one is what? 2p minus 1 into x minus 8p minus 1 into y minus 6 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Got it? Then what I do, I will find slope of the first line m1, say slope of the second line m2. Then since they are perpendicular, the condition is what? m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1 I will put and get the value of p. Okay? Then I will say slope of first line is m1 is equal to minus a upon b is equal to minus, what is a here? Minus 3p. Put in the bracket. Divided by b, coefficient of y is what? 1. Here coefficient of x was what? Minus 3p. That's why. So what happens? This minus will become 3p. Okay. Next, slope of the second line is m2 is equal to minus a upon b minus, what is a? A is here in bracket 2p minus 1. Coefficient of x is what? 2p minus 1. 2p minus 1. Divided by coefficient of y is what? Minus into bracket 8p minus 1. This minus minus goes. So we are left with 2p minus 1 divided by 8p minus 1. This is my m2. Okay. Now I know m1, m2. He is saying what? They are perpendicular to each other. Since two lines are perpendicular to each other, that is m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. That is, what is m1? 3p into what is m2? 2p minus 1 divided by 8p minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of p. Next I will continue here. I will write this 3p as it is into bracket 2p minus 1. Okay. This 8p minus 1 is cross multiply. Minus 8p minus 1. 8p minus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1 is. Now what I have to multiply 3 into 2, 6p into p square. 3p into minus 3 is equal to minus into 8p. Minus into minus plus 1. I will get all this one. I am getting a quadratic equation. Plus 8p minus 1 is equal to 0. So 6p square minus from 8p minus 3p goes means plus 5 minus 1 is equal to 0. 6 minus 1 I'll get 5p, and 6 into minus 1 is also product minus 6. Got it? So I'll write here 6p square plus 6p minus p. 6p minus p will get me 5p. Okay? Minus 1 is equal to 0. So I'll take here 6p common. So there are two values, p is equal to minus 1, p is equal to 1. Got it? Now next is your point of intersection. 1 minute, I'll check it. Then that finishes the syllabus. Yeah, go through the problem. Okay, now we have done coordinate, we are doing the third unit. Okay, distance formula we did, section formula, flow linearity of the points we did, area of triangle, intercepts of straight lines, slope of straight line joining two points, various forms of equation of straight lines, general equation of straight lines also we did. Then last class we did parallelism and perpendicular of two straight lines. Now we have to do point of intersection of two straight lines. If I do that much, the geometry portion is over. Then we are going to start with limits and differentiation. That is unit number 4. Okay. That is a little bit big chapter. Continuity. Fine. Now we'll do point of intersection. So here I said I will not be giving any theory, directly I will go to the problem. Okay, I will run this. So find the point of intersection of the lines. Next question. Find the point of intersection of the lines. Okay. First problem. Find the point of intersection of the line. Okay. First problem is 2x plus 3y 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. Now I'll name this as equation 1 and given 2x plus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, equation number 1, and 3x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0 and equation number 2. Got it? Now I will decide, you can decide anything, you can cancel x. If you want to cancel x, here it is 2, here it is 3, we can't cancel. If I want to cancel y, here it is 3, this is 5, I can't cancel. Okay, so now solving 1 and 12, and you are free to cancel any one. It is not hard to do that. You have to cancel x only or y only. Now I am writing here solving 1 and 2. Solving meaning is what? Either it is addition or subtraction between the two equations. It depends on the situation. For example, if you want to cancel x, means here minus sign will come, subtraction will take place. If you want to cancel y, here according to this situation, solving will be addition. Okay. Now I will decide to cancel x. But if I want to cancel x, 2 is different from 3, 3 is different from 2. So I will make it 1. How? I will multiply equation 1 by this 3. Means 3 to the 6x. And I will multiply this equation 2 by this 2. 3 into 2, 6x, both are same, it will get cancelled. That way you have to do. Now this kind of things you have learned in school. Okay. So now I will write here solving 1 and 2. That is multiply. That is multiply equation 1. Multiply equation 1 by 3. Okay. And equation 2, this one 2 now, multiply by this 2. You have to see the opposite sides. Okay. By 2. That is, now this is multiplied by 3 na? 3 2s are 6x plus 3 3s are 9y plus 3 7s are 20. Next, equation 2 is multiplied by 2. 2 3s are 6x. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10y. 2 into plus 1 is plus. So what I will get here? Subtraction. Minus into minus plus. Minus into plus is minus. Plus 6x minus 6x goes. 9y plus 10y. Don't look at this one. 9 plus 10y is 19y. Then from 21, 2 goes means plus 19 is equal to 0. So 19y is equal to minus 19. Y is what? Minus 19 divided by 19. It goes. Answer is minus 1. Okay. You got minus 1 as y1. This minus 1 you can put either in 1 or 2. I'll say from 1. From 1. That is, what it is? 2x plus 3y. In place of y, I put minus 1. Plus 7 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 4. X is equal to minus 4 by 2. It is minus 1. Okay. Therefore, I say here only. Therefore, point of intersection. Intersection there is a shortcut. Point of intersection is what? Minus 2 comma minus 1. That's all. So that's why I said there is no need to use theory. They give those equations. You have to solve it and get x and y value. That x and y value are treated as point of intersection. Okay? I will do one more problem. Second one. X plus 7y plus 31. X plus 7y plus 31 is equal to 0. And 4x minus y. 4x minus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Okay, answer. So x plus 7y plus 31 is equal to 0 is minus, that is equation 1, and 4x minus y minus 21 is equal to 0 is equation. Again here also you can either cancel x or y. You have to decide first. Okay, on that you are going to write the further things. You are going to do solving 1 and 2, no doubt. But whether solving meaning is what I said, it is general, either addition or subtraction. It depends on the situation of the problem. Now right now here, these both are positive. If you want to cancel x, first you have to make this as 4x, because this is already 4x. Make it 4x, both looks equal. You can subtract it. So solving meaning here will be subtraction. If you want to subtract y, here is 7y, means if you want to cancel y, here is 7y, here is minus 1. You have to make it as this also 7. And as it is plus and it is minus, solving meaning will be addition. Okay, that is what I am telling you. So solving 1 and 2. Okay, that is, I'll cancel x only. That is multiply equation 1. Okay, equation 1 by, see here only x is there, here 4 is there, by this 4. That's all, no need to multiply equation 2. Okay, we'll write it. That is 4x, 4 7 is 28y plus 4 1 is 4 4 3 is 128. Next, 4x minus 5 minus 21 is equal to 6. Minus plus goes 28, 29y, then plus, both are plus only, 124 plus 21, 24, 25, 35, 45. So 29y is equal to minus 145. Therefore y is what big number? 1 minute, I check the answer. 16. Check the question. X plus 7y plus 31 is equal to 0. 4x minus y minus 21 is equal to 0. Right? So what I have done? 4 7 is 28. Right? 4 1 is 4, so 3 is 124. Twenty-nine 5 is a horse. 5 and is a 45. And those are 10. Okay, yeah. 59 5 is a. So it will be minus 5. Okay. From 1 I will say. From 1 x plus 7y. 7 into minus 5 plus 31 is equal to 0. So x minus 35, 31 equals minus 4. Therefore x is equal to 0. Point of intersection are 4 comma minus 5. So check 4 comma minus 5. Yes, 4 comma minus 5. So this is how it is. So this was a straightforward problem. Next is find the equation of the line to the part of intersection and the point. Okay. The next question is find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of straight line. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line through the intersection of the lines. Through the intersection. Through the intersection of the lines. Through the intersection of the lines. Through the intersection of the lines. 2x plus 3y. 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. And 5x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, and through the point and through the point. Okay, so what we'll do, what we have asked, we have equation of the straight line passing through the intersection of the lines and through the point. Now listen here, intersection, just now we have done the problem equation 1 and equation 2. I will write, I will get intersection of the points x and y. I will name that as x1 and y1. And another point is, and passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. And passing through the point 2 comma minus 3. So this will be treated as x2 y2. Then we are having 2 point formula to write the equation of the straight line. That is all. Okay. So answer. First we will write on given. What is given? 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. And 5x plus 2y plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Okay. Again notice and people you want to have. Solving 1 and 2. That is multiply equation 1. If I want to cancel x, I will multiply equation 1 by this 5. Multiply equation 1 by 5 and equation 2 by this 2. Okay, that is equation 1 will be multiplied by 5 2 is 10x plus 5 3 is 15y. 5 7 is 30 0. This will be 2. 10x plus 4y plus 20 is equal to 0. So I want to cancel this, solving in this subtraction minus into plus minus into plus minus. Because 15 minus 14 is 15 minus 4 is how much? 11y. Then from minus 35 minus 20, that will be minus 55 is equal to 0. So 11y is equal to 55. Y is equal to 55 by 11. Find out. Okay, 11 5. I got 5 answers. That is why I'll put it in either 1 or 2. I'll get next. Here, from 1 I will say 2x plus 3y. 3 5s are minus 7 is equal to 0. 2x minus plus 15. 3 5s are 15 minus 7. So it will be 2x plus 8 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to minus 8. X is equal to minus 8 by 2 is minus 4. Okay. Then I will say here. Therefore, point of intersection is what it is? Minus 4 comma 5. Okay. Minus 4 comma 5. And I'll say I'll say name it as 8. 4 comma minus 5, and B1, I'll name this point, B1 this point as B of x2 comma y2 is equal to B of 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so I got two set of points. Now he is asking me to write equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the intersection of the lines. So intersection of the lines I have found out, that is intersection point is minus 4 comma 5, and I am treating it as A of x1 comma y1, and through the point, that is given point, given B I am telling. Now I write equation of the straight line AB is equation of straight line AB is y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. I said my 2-point formula because I am having two sets of points into x minus x1. Okay, that is y minus y1. Y1 is what? 5 is equal to y2 minus 3 minus 5 divided by 2 minus 1 minus plus into x minus x1 minus minus plus. So y minus 5 and that is minus 3 minus 5 is minus 8. 2 plus 4 6 x plus 4. So 2 4s are 2 3. This 3 will come here and minus 4 into x plus 4. 3y minus 15 minus 4x minus 16. Minus 4x will come this side plus 3y minus 15 plus 16 is equal to 0. 4x plus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is the answer. This is the equation of the straight line. 4x plus 3y. Got it? So this way they'll ask the question. Straight line is coming again and again. Till the end they'll come. Next problem is what? Again it is equation of straight line passing through intersection of two lines they will give you. Okay, and parallel to the line they will say. So intersection will get 1 point. We are named it as x1 y1, and parallel to the line, from that line I am going to get slope m. So you are going to use 1-point formula. 1-point formula is what? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. That is all it is. Okay. Next problem I will do. Okay, you can go through it, then I will run it. That way they will say parallel to the line, next they will ask perpendicular to the line. Okay. Next question is find equation of the straight line passing through the intersection. Find the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the straight line passing through the point of intersection. Passing through the point of intersection of the line. Passing through the point of passing through the through the point of intersection of the lines x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 3 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, passing through the point of intersection of the line x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0 and parallel to the line parallel to the line x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. Now what I do? Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the line. This I name it as 1 and 2. Okay. I say given point we will find out step by step. First we will find point of intersection. Then we will come to this. We will see what it is. Given x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Equation number 1. Then 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to equation number 2. Now see here. Solving 1 and 2. Okay. What it is here? Here also y is 1. No need of multiplying them. We will cancel y, we will get x. And this is minus y, this is plus y. So solving meaning will be what? Addition. Solving 1 and 2. That is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. We will do addition. Plus into minus is minus. X plus 2x is 3x minus y plus y goes 1 minus 3. Okay, 1 minus 3 is what? Minus 2. Here plus it is not. Plus into plus is plus into minus is minus. Got it? So 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Then 3x is equal to 2x is equal to 2 minus 2. We are getting in fraction. So from 1 I will say x is what? 2 upon 3 minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. That is LCM 2 minus 3y plus 3. Whole thing divided by 3 is equal to 0. 3 will go to 0. Okay, that is 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 minus 3y, 3 into 0 is 0. So 5 is equal to 3y. Therefore y is equal to what? 5 by 2. Okay, I will check it. We are getting in fraction 11th one. Okay, yes, that directly done. Okay, fine. So therefore point of intersection is, I will say P of x1 comma y1 is equal to P of what is 2 upon 3 comma 5 upon 3. Okay, then I will find slope of the line. Slope of the given line. Slope of the given line is what is? Slope of the given line is what? A upon b minus a upon b is minus a upon b is equal to what is? Minus 1 upon 3. But he is saying it is parallel to the line. Then I say therefore slope of the parallel line. Slope of the parallel line is m is equal to same as minus 1 upon 3. Okay. So I know x1, y1, I know slope m. So therefore equation of straight line is what? Slope point form. Equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x. So y minus y1 is what? 5 upon 3 is equal to what is m? Minus 1 upon 3. X minus x1 is what? 2 upon 3. So So first what I do, I take LCM in this bracket 3. 3y minus 1. This minus 1 upon 3 and this. Here also 3x minus 2. Now this 3 I will cancel. Now I am left with what? 3y minus 5 is equal to minus 1 upon 3 into 3x minus 2. This 3 will come here. Minus 1 into 3x minus 2. Okay, I will multiply 3 into 3, 9y minus 15 minus 3x plus 2 minus 3x will come here plus 9y minus 15 plus 2 will come here minus 2. So 3x plus 9y minus 17 is equal to 0. That is equation, that is 11th problem. Yeah, 3x plus 9y minus 17 is equal to 0. So this way they ask the problem. Previous problem was 2-point form, now this is 1-point form. Got it? Now same problem, instead of parallel here, he may ask you perpendicular to the line. That time what you have to do? Slope of the given line is this only. Then you have to say, therefore, slope of the perpendicular line is m. You are going to invert it. Minus 1 upon 1 upon 3. Minus minus goes, will become 3. That way. Okay, we'll do that problem also. Next. Okay, just go through it. Problems are very easy. Just we should know the theory concept first and what are the equation of the straight line. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection of the lines. I write the new lines. And it is parallel and it is perpendicular. Find the equation of the line through the point of intersection. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point of intersection. X plus 2y minus 3. X plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. And 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. And perpendicular to the line. And perpendicular. And perpendicular to the line and perpendicular to the line 3x minus 2y 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Okay, answer. Now I write again, I will first find point of intersection. Then slope we are going to find out this. Then I say now given that is x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to the equation number 1. 4x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0 equation number 2. Okay. Now solving 1 and 2, that is multiply equation 1. Okay, I decide to cancel this one. X multiplied by 4 others. Okay, it is same problem of ours. I will check it. Otherwise, we will take different. Okay, 4. That is 4x plus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. 4x minus y plus 7 is equal to 0. Minus plus 9. Cancels 8y plus 9y. Minus 12 minus 7. Minus 19. Okay. So, big number. 9y is equal to 19. Therefore, y is what? 19 by 9. So, I will say from 1. What is 1? X plus 2y. 2 into 19 by 9 minus 3 is equal to 0. LCM is 9x plus 2 into 19 is what? 38. And 9 into 3 is minus 27. Then this will go to there. So 9x plus from 38, 27 goes. 8 minus 7 is 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Means 11. Is equal to this 9 will go to 0. So that is 9x is equal to minus 11. X is minus 11 by 9. Okay. Then I will say here point of intersection. I will name this point of intersection as P. Therefore, point of intersection is, I will say P of x1 comma y1 is P of minus 11 comma 9 comma 19 upon 9. Okay, I have named that. Next I will come here slope of the line. A and B is known to me. Slope of the line 3x minus 2y is equal to minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, slope of the line minus from the minus 3x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0 is minus a upon b is equal to what? Minus 3 upon minus 2. What is 3 upon 2? But it is perpendicular. Therefore, slope of perpendicular line is m is equal to minus 1 upon this 3 upon 2. That will become minus 2 upon 2. You got it? What I have done? Slope of the line 3x minus 2y. This will come this side. Minus 7 is equal to 0 is minus a upon b. A is your 3, b is your minus 2. That is minus 3 upon minus 2 minus minus goes 3 upon 2. But he is saying it is perpendicular. So therefore, slope of perpendicular line is m is equal to minus 1 upon whatever I got, 3 upon 2. 2 will go up and become minus 1. Then I write, therefore, equation of a straight line is. Therefore, equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. That is y minus y1. What is y1? 19 by 9. Is equal to m is minus 2 by 3 into x minus x1. x1 is what? Minus plus. We take LCM here in the bracket. 9y minus 19 by 9 minus 2 by 3 9x plus 11 upon 9. Again this 9 will cancel. This 3 will come here. And minus 2 into 9x plus 11. So 3 9s are 27y. 3 9s are 27 to carry 57. Minus 2 that is minus 18x minus 20. Minus 18x will come this side. Plus 27y minus 57. Minus minus plus 22 is equal to 0. 18x plus 27y minus from 7 2 goes 5, from 5 2 goes 3, means minus 35. 18x plus 27y minus 35. Okay, I will check the answer. Well, yeah, 18x plus 27y minus 35 is equal to 0. 18x plus 27y minus 35 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Okay. this finishes your coordinate chart. Okay.